By the way, on the siege breaker on the last phase,
Can you add 10?
5,
No, too late, not
4,
locking.
okay.
They already pop shit.
2, 1.
like on the siege breaker on the last phase, do you want us to like not hit you with a knockback or?
I mean, if you're mobile, yes. But like, if you're not mobile, like, just move out a bit, yeah? But let's say
It's
like,
like
a
with
TH,
the ice
Mage,
block thing,
Hunter, all of this can easily go out. But like, try to not get blocked and like pre-hold for the grip, because you have to understand at that point everybody is going to be, how do you say,
Panicking?
yeah, that's the word.
Lost.
And I personally think, like, just if you don't see who has, like, just out, like, grip that guy and stuff, and don't pre-move, because like a lot of your pre-moving with siege breakers, and then you end up risking and shouting, scared. Oh, I need a grip, need a grip. Just wait. You can even get Tiger's Last from Vudaks there. The best scenario is that you get Tiger's Last, you move out, and you use own mobilities to come back in.
1.
Clear shit, please, don't kill us. And you should just walk into the range camp, those with you with avalanches. Better.
Need to taunt her back maybe. I won't get
Right.
reset.
On top of gate. Reset
Right
stacks.
cannon.
Man, I don't know why we didn't mark sides and just call on the fucking sides. Like, I always get confused. I don't know if I'm bad with these sides or what, but like, it's fucking dumb.
Be grateful I'm not calling pot and stab, but
Yeah, that would be also big int. Like, I don't know.
Yeah, I was like wondering why I got frozen on the front, but we had 2 stacks. Fucking hell.
Careful, Pogger, I'm giving you space.
Touch frontal.
Ooh. No, I'm bad. You'll break me after.
Can we ring and fire?
4, 3, 2,
Sorta.
1.
Maybe.
It's cool.
50-50.
Just keep dots on me.
Look on the all good. I'll do them there.
Alright, let's just bait it on fires on gate again. Keep playing. This is really good phase now. Only Nigger is nerf. Keep it up.
Touch. On the plan.
Oh my god, are you serious?
Press him. Yeah, I'm there already. Okay, so we just push now. We got the roots. Go. Push. Bombs are coming as well. It's gonna be easier to reset stacks. Perfect. Reset, please.
5,
That's it. Let's go. Rebuff butter. Runa butter as well.
That just fucking bad RNG.
I mean, yeah, I
I
guess.
mean, there was a bomb at the end of the game.
Yeah, I know.
heavy heavy right.
Yeah.
Hard out this one.
Okay.
I also love the one where like it's heavy more on my side though. Like, I don't know. They let him. It's on your side. Yeah, just break him down. We're walking on top of them anyway, so just focus on breaking him. Don't worry about anything else.
I thought we could really frozen there.
Yeah, I was.
5,
That was
Back up,
okay.
keep playing,
2,
break the barrel. Like, only do this one and bait.
Innovate.
Side here. This one.
Right, a bit more damage on the barrel. Like, it's far away and not getting mid range and stuff. Move through the barrel, please. Let's see where Icefall is. Be fast, exploding in 4.
Okay, getting out.
We are cool. Are we? Yeah, we are cool.
Thunder, can you group other?
Come on, purple, please.
1, 5,
Right,
4,
perfect. We're there. Okay, so the other one is not broken, yeah? So like, we will need to break it after. And there is space for avalanches, but like we will need to break that one, so would be PoV if we could do that. On any mobile homeboy.
I can drop a gate if you want from this.
Yeah, just do it already. Ultra, can you go?
Yeah.
You have gate back as well.
Break the barrel now.
I don't see Icefall.
We need to stand
Let's
on
move towards the wall. So let's just move towards the wall.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3,
And top spot is a profit bait.
Oh, thank God.
Alright, so there is space in the back with those avalanches. Let's save the gate in case we get caught by that icefall. We can easily move there, so do not gateway towards this. We just move there and save gate in case something bad happens, which can be. Alright, move now. Icefall, we're cool, perfect. Just don't int us, broadside's not in the raid. Pump the barrel and personals. Pump the barrel range.
Don't get knocked into this one.
5,
Right, barrel now.
3,
Bait.
Perfect bait, and we go towards the gate then. Like, let's go, move out. Alright, boys, this is it again. Playing really cool, like, let's go.
Fuck was that?
Are we chilling on the percent?
Yeah, probably, but like, just keep smacking now. Like, we can chill during the phase. We are cool here. Go a bit more left, please, if possible.
Don't leave me, I'm drinking. What's one range?
Yeah, we're there, we're there. Okay, just chill now. Like, let hunters and shadow priest bang.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Froze? Oh.
Like, I'll just swap on him. I'll focus on the wall. Like, we'll have to do a bit more on the last phase.
Dive and cool, huh?
No, he won't. Like, even like wall is even like really high now. Run. Pump this now. Like, please, a lot of damage on this. Cancel now. Please, game. Yes, let's go. On purple. Right, hard to the right. We are getting orb soon. We saw corp everybody. Let's go.
Oh yeah, soul some, so.
Broadsides left. Good, keep it up. Try to be tight stacked, please.
Tide west?
Keep moving out, watch out for the
Mine's
abilities interrupting and stuff. Right, we're gonna bait this when we go out.
Shout Reynolds.
Go left now. Go left.
AM wins.
Ah,
I couldn't buy.
Watch that icicle.
3, 2, 1.
Keep moving out. We go now. Go, go. This is perfect. This is playable. Keep dodging. Move out with abilities. Keep playing. Remember, like
Please
this.
stack up.
Hellstones, if you're low, do not be afraid. Quest, you move right, bubble, and then we grip him in. We're cool here. You need to bubble Quest, okay? Do not soak disorders. Keep banging boss. Keep moving out with abilities. Let's go.
Hang totem.
Stop.
Someone
Broadside's back. Twist, Luca, Buster, move back.
Hellstones.
5, 4,
Immunities now.
3, 2,
Oh, what the?
1.
Immunities now.
Come on.
Eric and unsubscribe. Thank fuck.
Laser,
Well,
dude.
haha. Yoink!
Give it, Mitch.
Oh, how do I get my screen back? There we go.